In this video, I will show you how to design professional cards and invitations quickly by using the powerful template library built right into CorelDRAW. Using these pre-designed layouts is a fantastic way to save time while still maintaining a high level of creative control over your finished project. To get started with your design, first launch the CorelDRAW application on your computer and wait for the workspace to load up. Once you are in, navigate your mouse cursor to the top menu bar and click on File. Then look for the option that says New from Template and select it. This action will trigger a new window to open known as the Template Browser. This is where all the creative magic begins. On the left-hand sidebar of this window, you will see various categories and groups. Look for specific labels such as invitations, cards, or social events to narrow down your selection. Here is a helpful pro tip for you if you are having trouble finding a specific category. You can simply go to the search bar located at the very top of the window and type in the word invitation or card to filter the results instantly. Now you can take your time to browse through all the beautiful styles available. Whether you are planning for weddings, birthdays, or even formal corporate events, there is likely something perfect for your needs. When you see a design you like, click on it to see more details. In the preview pane on the right, you can check important information like the page dimensions, the orientation, and whether it is a simple single-sided design or a complex multi-page fold-out card. Once you have found the perfect starting point, click the Open button. CorelDRAW will now generate a brand new, unedited copy of that layout for you.